Hey, Mr. G, I'm going to share a really cool major scale that's root is on the 5th string. And it's a movable scale. You can move it up and down the fretboard depending on what kind of key you want to play in. Now, in this scenario, I'm going to be playing the key of D. So that's going to be my root note. Let me show you kind of how it looks like. A little slower here, a little cleaner sound. So the first thing, let's play the root note. For this scenario, we're playing a D scale. So the root note is going to be on the 5th string, 5th fret. Then I'm going to play that D with my middle finger. Then the next note is going to be on the 5th string, 7th fret. And I'm going to play that note with my little finger. And then the next note is going to be on the 4th string, 4th fret, and I'll play it with my index finger. And then the next note is going to be on the 4th string, 5th fret, and I'll play it with my middle finger. And then the next note is going to be on the 4th string, 7th fret, and I'll play it with my little finger. Then the next note will be on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and I'll play it with my index finger. Then the next note will be on the 3rd string, 6th fret, and I'll play it with my ring finger. Then the next note will be on the 3rd string, 7th fret, and I'll play that with my little finger. Then the next note will be on the 2nd string, 5th fret, and I'll play that with my index finger. Then the next note will be on the 2nd string, 7th fret, and I'll play that with my ring finger. Then the next note will be on the 2nd string, 8th fret, and I'll play it with my little finger. Then the next note will be on the 1st string, 5th fret, and I'll play that with my index finger. Then the next note, we're going to slide that index finger up to the 1st string, 7th fret. We'll play that note. Then we'll place our ring finger on the 1st string, 9th fret, and play that note. And then we'll end there on the root note of the 1st string, 10th fret. So it's kind of like this. Let me play a little slower for you. Let me play it again, but I'm going to descend and ascend on the scale, so I'm going to kind of go up and down. It's kind of a cool way to play the scale. Hey again, Mr. G. A real cool major scale with the root being on the 5th string. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.